Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make haydari, one of the most beloved appetizers in the Turkish cuisine, especially popular in the Aegean and Mediterranean regions. Haydari is a light, delicious and surprisingly simple dish to prepare. So let's get started. Ingredients: 6 tablespoons of strained yogurt, 1 tablespoon of labneh cheese, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon dried meat and 1 teaspoon salt, half a tea glass of olive oil, a bunch of fresh dill. Now, let's move on to the preparation. First, I chop the fresh dill. Finally, then I place the labneh cheese in a bowl. I add the strained yogurt and mix until it becomes perfectly smooth. Then I add crushed garlic, olive oil, dried meat and salt. I add the chopped dill to the mixture. I mix everything until they are well combined. I cover the bowl and place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Then I transfer the haydari into a dish. I drizzle a bit more olive oil and put some fresh dill. Fry it serving and serve cold, and that's it.